In today's video, we're diving into the 5 unexpected habits that can pave your way to success in making money online. If you're an entrepreneur feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with balancing our ambitions and the chaos of everyday life. But what if I told you that small, simple changes in your routine could lead to significant breakthroughs? We'll explore how these habits not only foster personal growth, but also help you navigate the challenges that come with building your dreams. By the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies to implement in your own life, making the journey to success feel less daunting and more achievable. So, whether you're just starting or looking to reignite your passion, stick around. Adopting effective habits is crucial for overcoming obstacles and reaching your goals, and I'm excited to share these insights with you. Let's get started. Habit 1. Embracing mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs, especially when it comes to managing stress and enhancing focus. In the whirlwind of deadlines and decisions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Practicing mindfulness helps you stay grounded amidst the chaos, allowing you to approach challenges with a clearer mind. I've found that taking just 5 minutes each morning to meditate or practice deep breathing can set a positive tone for the day. Techniques like mindful walking or even just pausing to appreciate your surroundings can create moments of clarity that boost productivity. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can cultivate a sense of calm that helps you navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. I encourage you to try setting aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness practices. You might be surprised at how much more focused and resilient you feel, ultimately leading to greater success in your endeavors. Habit 2. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance, especially for entrepreneurs who often face the challenge of overcommitment. When you say yes to every opportunity, you risk spreading yourself too thin, which can significantly impact your productivity and overall well-being. To combat this, start by identifying your limits. Know when to say no and prioritize tasks that align with your goals. Communicate your boundaries clearly with colleagues and clients. This not only sets expectations, but also fosters respect for your time. For example, consider designating specific hours for work and personal time and stick to them. The positive effects of establishing boundaries are profound. They lead to reduced stress, improved focus, and ultimately, greater business success. By protecting your time and energy, you create space for creativity and innovation, allowing you to thrive both personally and professionally. Remember, setting boundaries is not just about saying no. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. Habit 3. Prioritizing self-care. Prioritizing self-care is crucial for sustaining long-term success as an entrepreneur. When we neglect our well-being, we risk burnout and overwhelm, which can stifle creativity and hinder productivity. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but remember that taking care of yourself is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Simple self-care strategies can make a significant difference. Consider scheduling regular breaks throughout your day, engaging in physical activity, or even dedicating time to hobbies that bring you joy. These practices can recharge your mind and body, allowing you to approach your work with renewed energy. Additionally, self-care has a direct correlation with enhanced creativity and productivity. When you feel good, you think better, leading to innovative ideas and solutions. So, make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. By investing in yourself, you're not only improving your well-being, but also setting the stage for greater success in your entrepreneurial journey. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting an online course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. There is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I listed this information in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Habit 4. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is vital for both personal and professional growth, especially in today's fast-paced business environment. As entrepreneurs, staying ahead means constantly seeking out new knowledge and skills that are relevant to your industry. Embracing a mindset of lifelong learning not only enhances your expertise, but also keeps you adaptable to changes and challenges. I encourage you to explore various resources that can aid your learning journey. Books like Atomic Habits by James Clear or The Lean Startup by Eric Ries offer valuable insights. Online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy can help you acquire new skills at your own pace. Additionally, podcasts such as How I Built This provide inspiration and practical advice from successful entrepreneurs. By committing to continuous learning, you equip yourself with the tools needed to navigate a rapidly changing landscape, ensuring that you remain competitive and innovative in your business endeavors. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. Habit 5. Building a support network. Building a support network is invaluable for any entrepreneur looking to thrive in their journey. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can make all the difference when facing challenges. Networking and mentorship provide not only guidance, but also encouragement during tough times. Engaging with like-minded individuals can spark new ideas and foster collaboration, leading to mutual growth. To connect with others, consider attending industry events, joining online forums, or participating in local meetups. Don't hesitate to reach out to potential mentors. Many are willing to share their experiences and insights. Building genuine relationships takes time, so be open and authentic in your interactions. Remember, you don't have to navigate your entrepreneurial path alone. Actively seeking support can lead to valuable partnerships and friendships that enrich your journey. By cultivating a strong support network, you create a foundation that empowers you to overcome obstacles and celebrate successes together. Your community can be your greatest asset. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.